How to redeem your Starbucks gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can redeem your Starbucks gift card. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the process to redeem your Starbucks gift card differs from mobile and devices to devices. So maybe you're logged into your account or maybe you're not. First of all, you want to open up your browser and then go to the Starbucks website, which is basically app.starbucks.com. So just go to app.starbucks.com. Now if you're already logged in, just go ahead and log into your account, or else just click on the join now button from the top right hand side of the screen. Now when you tap on the join option over here, you can simply try to create your account by entering your personal information, your last name, your account security, and your password. But in order to redeem and use our Starbucks gift card, if you scroll down, here is the button that says already have a Starbucks gift card, right? So basically you can just click on this option. So it says add your gift card to earn stars when you pay and order ahead. So basically while creating your account, this is the first way to actually redeem your gift card. Just enter your 16-digit card number and then make sure to enter your security code, and then you should be able to go ahead and simply create your account in that way. Or else, even if you're already logged in, you have to just go to the account section and you'll basically find the option to redeem and then use it whenever you're actually paying for any type of items. And this is how you can redeem your Starbucks gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.